No, no.
Good morning. This is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. I am Sebastian. Welcome aboard, folks. All is well, all is great. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. And there you have it. So let's talk about the market. Well, here we are. Market is off about 12 bucks, and not a lot of VIX action. The VIX is already $20, $19.5. It needs real movement to get pushed around at this point. And now that the Fed is kind of out of the bag, there's not a lot of things that unknowns floating around out there to push volatility up 5, 6, 8, 9 points. So we're not crazy volatility.
Oh, thank you for the cannonball. Please get the milk out of the way.
The bomb. I need to use the computer. You can't look at it.
But you take a look at the overall market, and there's
It's not starting. Oh,
it is. You got 14 minutes and 40 seconds to eat your breakfast.
So, there's not a lot that can really be done.
Okay. I did. Yeah. So we need 12 more in the next 2 trips. Should be good.
It's just kind of a weird day because you've got VIX kind of already pricing in. $12 isn't that much, and you actually have the futures off today, even with the VIX up and the S&P down. Kind of a weird day. Feels like a little, feels a little directionless. Even though we're down 100, it has a sense of directionless, and we've been sitting here down 12 for 30 minutes. It's odd to be over the last couple of days, things have not moved that way. Yesterday we did have some real momentum in the close, and they really took it down. But I mean, you've got the S&P down, the Dow down, but look, the Russell 2000 is actually up, and the NDX, the Nasdaq 100 is up. So there is some weird motion going on, and that's one of the reasons why we're seeing so much odd weakness in and it's just everything's a little odd. So I don't really know what to take. I mean, you've got the financials down, Goldman's down big, JP Morgan, you've got your quote-unquote FANG stock. If I hear the word FANG stock, they're all doing well today. And then you've got kind of all the different sectors, they're all kind of down. But still, you've got NDX up and RUT up. And oil is now up on the day. Meanwhile, bonds, the two major drivers, are kind of flattish. So there's not this big crazy push in HYG. There's not this big crazy push in oil. Oil seems to have subsided for a bit. Everything just seems to kind of oddly floating around and a little directionless. And I'm interested to see where things go. I think the market has real potential to turn around and go positive today. I think traders are looking for an opportunity to blast volatility. And that's just the way I think things line up. I think we're going to probably be relaxed next week. I think that anybody who sells volatility today might be happy. Full disclosure, I'm short a bunch of volatility in my fund. But that's kind of what I'm looking at and the way things line up. All right, folks, have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. you got questions, you can email me, marketoption.com. You can call me, 888-TRADE-01.